So as we change, so here you can see 2010 with the black dots and 2012 with the white dots. So we did see a significant decline in aerial excretion into P across these mussel beds across the 2 sampling years. And so we think this is due to this decline in the thermally sensitive species. So finishing up, so going back to that conceptual model, if we see more declines, we'll have less N availability and less phosphorus storage, and that's eventually going to impact all these other things such as community composition, the physiochemical structure, and algae species composition. So you really have to think about the whole ecosystem to understand the impact of just one organism. So in conclusion, in this system, mussels increase community gross primary productivity, so algae. They increase secondary productivity, so aquatic insects. They alter what nutrients limit primary productivity. They alter the benthic algal species composition within these systems. They also, these mussel-derived nutrients are moving into the food web, and they're important. And we have another study that's in the works right now where we actually did a mesocosm experiment and showed that these nutrients are moving into fish as well. And also these mussels are definitely important for just the food web because vertebrates such as these turtles, Sternothrus carinatus, feed on mussels. And so we needed to understand what the impact is going to be if we continue to see declines in freshwater mussels, because it's going to have an impact on the whole ecosystem. With that, I'd like to thank a lot of people, my advisor and my committee, a bunch of people that worked with the Environmental Protection Agency, a lot of landowners that I worked in the area with because this was all done on private property. And then also I'd like to thank all these people that helped me when I was doing my PhD, and then these funding sources. And then also thank you all for your attention in dealing with the language barrier. And hopefully I'll be presenting on what all these crazy people have been doing with me here in Ecuador. This was taken up in the Oaxaca, so more details to follow on the new work. With that, I'll see if you guys have any questions.